chickpeas. They've been soaking overnight. Bowl. Could try one. It's getting soft. Okay, change the lights in the meantime. The hummus is about to be made. It's pretty soft. Oh yeah. The garlic press. 3, 4, 5 cloves. Tahini paste. See, not so wet. This is concentrated sesame seed paste. Oh yeah. Extra virgin olive oil. Some pieces of chickpeas inside. Freshly made hummus. Wow. There are still pieces of chickpeas, but I like it like this. I like to feel some textures in it. It makes it more interesting. If it had garlic in it, it would be much better. But even like this, it's really delicious. Throw it in casseroles, eat it with meat or falafel.